Please wear VR glass or put your cell phone in horizontal way. You may zoom in or turn the screen to see more specifically. Welcome to Bridge PetCare Factory Tour. Do you wonder how your pet's daily diet is made? Let's figure it out. Every day, NatureBridge products experience in total 72 strict steps from factory to consumer. All the ingredient suppliers are selected based on 461 quality standards. Now let's explore the story behind delicious NatureBridge pet food. Let's take a look to the wet food workshop. Before entering, we should be fully armed with the protective suite. Here we are in the Asian first Tetra Pak automatic wet food production line. It's the only wet food production line in Asia. There are less than 6 similar production lines globally. 500 million RMB is invested. The packaging standard is even stricter than Tetra Pak milk, with up to 9 layers of packaging materials to lock the nutrition and keep fresh. Our cold storage warehouse at -18 degrees Celsius can lock the nutrition in fresh meat. We keep pre-production area at constantly 4 degrees Celsius to secure ingredients freshness. The workshop starts from raw material rough processing. It can help pets better absorption of nutrition. After crushing, it is ingredient mix process. NatureBridge selects ingredients that is eatable by human. The ingredients are from disease-free area. Its drug index, pesticide index, heavy metal index, microorganism index are all in line with national standards. The twin-shaft paddle mixer ensures every raw materials are mixed evenly. That every bag of products is with meat cubes and vegetable kibbles. A balanced diet with vegetable and meat ensures your pet's health. The Tetra Pak filling line is operating smoothly in the valuable filling workshop. The 9-layer packaging materials lock the food nutrition and hygiene. Therefore, no preservative is needed. The wet food production line is efficient. Annually, 8,000 tons daily, 120,000 pieces production capacity, secures a daily diet supply for millions of pets. The automatic production line for dry food is 360 degrees whole process monitored. There are no people inside. All the system is controlled by center computer and processed automatically to avoid pollution risk caused by people and ensure food safety and quality. Now we are in bulking workshop. Machines are imported from various countries, including USA, Japan, Switzerland, and the Netherlands. Here we apply twin screw technology to help food curing and reduce nutrition loss by advanced technology and R&D capacity. 3 key factors of high-quality pet food. 1. Recipe. 2. Ingredient. 3. Production technique. Every batch of our ingredient is based on strict nutrition proportion, selection, and test. Transported directly by helicopter without worker, then mixed and crushed in scientific proportion. After that, it's curing and drying process. In the final stage, we will use vacuum spraying machine to put on seaweed, carrot, or egg yolk coating on the surface of the kibble. We own over 30 patents to support your pet's better and nutritious diet. Our product package also has story. What a grand automatic packaging line. This imported equipment can realize automatic bagging, sealing, palletizing. Besides, we also did the unique product tracing code. Now, let's visit the Food Safety and Quality Test Center, which secures smooth production. All the delicious raw materials, finished good, and packaging will be tested here. There are 14 types of test labs in all, and divided into dry food and wet food categories. These labs are responsible for monitoring the raw material safety and nutrition index. How time flies. Now it's the end of our tour. You're always welcome here again. Wish you a happy and joyful experience with your pet.